So what's going on, everybody? As you can see, title, thumbnail, obviously, the Texas speed box. Also got a speed engineer box to show you that as well. And if there's any of you guys suffering through suicide thoughts, please use the link down below. Somebody loves you. We do. Yeah. So here we are, getting into this goodness here that we've been waiting almost 2 months for.
Yeah, made an order 2 months ago. I think there was still snow on the ground. Who knows? Could have been. Could have not been.
There could have been. It might have. There was threats of snow.
Yeah, it was in the forecast.
Oh, definitely.
We made an order. Several orders.
Yeah, we got quite a few orders.
So we're gonna open. They're all here except for one.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the intake, right?
But yep.
Yeah. Whatever. Well, that's COVID times for you.
Yeah. Delayed. That's a word I've heard a lot lately.
Delayed.
What do you want to do, the speed engineering first?
Yeah, we'll do those headers first.
Well, we kind of already opened.
Yeah, we've had these for a while, right?
Yeah.
So we'll break this box.
In that box is just the Y pipe and clamps and stuff.
That's a good box.
Here's the LongTube speed engineering, inch and 7/8, I believe. Not a bad unit.
I've got to ask you this: real name or fake name?
What?
Real name or fake name?
Real name.
Real name is CJ. He works for. How long have you worked for Anderson's?
I think 5 years now.
5 years. That's our local GM shop.
Yeah. We do all the recalls, eh?
Yeah, all the recalls.
Yeah. Starter side, passenger side. Your standard LongTube LT.
I wish it was an LS.
Well, you know.
We don't got that kind of money around here. We're not Cletus.
Yeah.
We're just the redneck wannabe versions of Cletus.
They're not a bad product for the price, really.
They look sharp.
Yeah, not bad. Help it breathe.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
The prized possession.
There it is.
Oh yeah, that's the best part of any order right there.
Yep.
Sticker.
Yeah.
It's what, 10 horsepower itself?
That's where you put it.
Yeah. Well, where is the best place? I have no idea. I don't work on.
I usually put my stuff on the muffler. Just kidding. You got clamps, all that stuff in there.
No, they don't want to see that.
No, who cares?
Everyone's mainly here for this.
Yeah. So, $3,000 or more. I don't know what total was.
Well, it's 2,800 American.
Yeah.
3,600 Canadian.
So, yeah.
And then duties paid was 300 yesterday.
Oh god.
Yeah. So almost $4,000 just for a stage 2 AFN camshaft police kit.
All right. So this is kind of the part I'm excited about.
We'll bring you in a little bit here.
Yep. So I was telling Keith about this part that he didn't know. I just was like, oh, I'm gonna put this in the cart. He's gonna be all right with it because we need it. This is for the valley cover for the.
Is this the shiny part you're telling me about?
Yeah. For the V-Low.
Oh, that's nice.
K-Tech V-Low delete. Look at that.
That's nice.
That's a nice billet piece of goodness.
Look at this. So where this would be mounted on?
That's under the intake manifold.
Okay.
So that's part of the process of deleting the active fuel management.
All right.
Because right now there's like a valve oil manifold.
Yeah.
For all the lifters and stuff, but like that's
nice.
That's a $300 nice add to the cart there.
That's a nice $300
I
add.
told you.
That's nice.
Told you.
That's
Now,
nice.
now you're not so.
Nah, I wasn't mad in the first place. CJ.
I know. I know. So well, oh look at that. We got some swag.
Oh,
We got his and his shirts.
his and his shirts.
I think here. Oh, here's my large.
Oh, this is a hoodie.
Oh, you got a hoodie.
There's a hoodie right here, bro. Texas Speed.
Oh, we got a shirt and a hoodie.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Did we even order a hoodie?
I don't think so.
They just sent us a hoodie.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That you can have that if you want, bud.
Yeah, I'll rock that.
Yeah, you're the one that's installing this.
Cool.
Hooking me up, bro.
Cool.
Yeah, some of you guys might remember Keenan. He's gone. He's became a father, and I didn't feel like bothering him, so I messaged another friend.
We got the light, the nice sunrise.
That's the nice one, yeah.
Nice. Medium.
Yeah, medium.
For Mr. Yeoman.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dog's still there.
Hey, he's chilling. How's
Rock's favorite, fire starter. So these are lifter trays.
Yeah.
So we can put our normal lifters in there and get rid of that active fuel management junk.
Fuel management junk.
This.
What? That's what took 2 months?
So these are the push rods, and they didn't ship it for half a year because we're waiting on push rods.
Yeah.
There's the neighbor. Happy birthday, you sexy piece of shit. Nothing. You look good today. Charlie, get over here. So, yeah, and then good old springs.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. We upgraded the springs too.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah. Very nice.
Very nice. This is all stuff all made in-house by Texas Speed?
I can't confirm.
Or did they just do the cams? As you can see online.
They do their cams.
They do the cams.
I'm not sure. Oh, here's all your lifters. I think these are the standard LS7 style lifters, which I've never seen in these packages. So,
Oh, okay, show the camera, my friend.
yeah, it's in a white box, so can't confirm.
30 grease. There's something.
Yeah,
new.
they are, which is nice.
That's neat.
We will end up pre-salting them for a period of time.
Yeah.
Well, and then yeah, the old camshaft.
Oh, the old box of heaven.
So I don't recall what we went with. We went. What did they say? There should be a cam card somewhere.
That tells you the lope and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah. I think it's.
Do they test all these before they send them
No,
out?
no,
Or?
I don't think so. Hard on the equipment here. Oh, is this our? Yeah, so our cam is.
So show it to everybody.
Yeah, here we are. We are 113 LSA. Fuck yeah.
That's gonna be mean.
If you're wondering, I think this is their stage 3. I believe
Stage 3.
stage 3 truck cam.
Jesus.
Yeah. Well,
I thought we got a stage 2.
I think it's stage 3. I believe there's a 3 in that part number. Yeah, I think stage 3. Oh, we'll have to confirm.
We'll have to confirm.
Either way. But yeah, that's a nice package to show off.
That's a nice little piece of artwork.
Yeah. Oh, what? How about that nice?
Oh my god, that's nice. So where will that? So
That's
the
right on-
plastic part.
Yeah,
That'll sit right underneath
goes
it.
under. Yeah. So and then when you end up getting your Holly, because
Yeah.
I think that's inevitable.
Oh, I'll definitely get a Holly.
This will be all shown off.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Jet. Small town stuff.
Yeah. Canada living.
Well, yeah, that's all that.
Yeah, that's really nice. I really appreciate you ordering that
Yeah,
for me.
no problem.
Yeah. Man.
Step 1's done. I mean, this could be step 2, I think.
Yeah. Well, ordering step 1.
Mhm.
Step 2 could be the waiting game,
Yeah.
and then step 3 is getting everything.
It's
together.
multi-step program.
Yeah. It's kind of like AA, but better.
Yeah.
While we're all drinking.
Yeah. This is non-alcoholic. Jameson's.
It's a nice tea. That land shark is actually just shark.
Yeah.
It's actually a really good beer. I've never had one.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's the video. I thought we'd just make a quick video on it, showing you guys. Because there's lots of guys asking how much these things cost and what they run on truck pages that we're both a part of. And
Yeah.
when there's no install videos. Like
No.
step-by-step install videos, there's none.
We're gonna do one of them.
So we're going to do one of them.
We're gonna do one of them.
Yeah, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
It might be a 2-part
series, but like it'll get done.
Oh,
We've
yeah.
already waited 2 months. What's another month?
Yeah. Well, hopefully not that long.
Yeah, but whatever. As long as it gets done.
We'll be able to hammer this out in a weekend.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. And then boss said I can book the day off and take the thing to go get dynos. Watch you get dynos.
Nice. That'll be a good day.
That'll be a good day. I want to film that too. If that's okay with the dyno guy.
Yeah,
I won't bother him at all.
I believe they don't mind that.
I won't bother him at all. I won't ask a single question. Because you know they say on Cletus, hey, what's this? What's this? What's this? And you know, no tuner guys.
You let people do their job.
Yeah, you don't annoy them.
No.
Like even with me doing this with you.
Yeah. Oh, I don't.
I'm just gonna stick the camera. And I'm gonna shut up.
Hey, hold the light.
Yeah.
Over here, you idiot.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Yeah. Well, I heard my dad say that enough as a kid.
My father told me he's proud of me once. Fucking prick.
Fucking prick.
That's Trailer Park.
Trailer Park Boys, yeah.
Cyrus.
I'll put that clip in there.
Yeah.
Told me he was proud of me once. Fucking prick.
9 mil.
Yeah.
Safety always off.
9mm. Safety always off.
What are you looking at me good for?
Yeah. That's my porno collection. That's criminal crime. Whatever the hell he said.
I was getting changed.
But yeah.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like we said, if any of you guys suffering through suicide thoughts, please use the link down below. Somebody loves you. We do. And yeah, if you guys want to see this thing over there, get a fat cam installed.
Probably right there.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure.
Yeah. Just hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys next time. Alright? Peace out.